First four rounds. Ready? Let the goes. Ready? The first thing, when you come back here, you need to come with some item. Okay, so you need to go and get someone's handkerchief. Yes, handkerchiefs. Sit down. Yes. Product chairman out. You still have two more. Still have one more place. Okay. Out there. Handkerchief okay. Come closer. Yes. Come closer. Okay, ready? You need to return this kerchief when you come back. Wait. One thing I want to make sure, you will not use your things. Okay, you need to take it from the guest only. Guest you need to return this kerchief when you're coming here. You need to come up with a watch. Okay, make sure you will return the watch. Okay, next, wait. Next. Okay, next, your watch party in the you need to come with someone's left leg footwear. Wait. I said wait. No. Wait. I'll give you time. You can fix the match. Left leg footwear. Sit down. Boss. Your time starts now. Okay, left leg again, compare kara. It's left. Seems to be left. This is the right one. Wait, still house fans. Okay, there's left, and there's the left one. Wow, nice. Okay, next we'll remove only one chair, Baba. One chair. You need to return this sandals back. When you're coming back, you need to get someone's white hair. Still have space for one person. Okay, make sure to see. Yes. Okay, next. You can't throw it. You need to put it in the dustbin, okay? Next thing, when you need to put it in the dustbin, and when you come back next time, you need to find it. That's fine, okay. When you come back next time, you need to come with 500 rupees note. You're late. Okay, next, all of you are. Yes, everybody is having a 500 rupees note. Okay, this time you can put it in my pocket. Easy, no? You need not return it. You can put it in my pocket. We'll have a party afterwards. What's up? You need to return this. When you're coming, you need to grab some. Wait, what's up? I'll say the time starts only then, okay? You need to grab some stranger's phone. Wait. Not now, stranger's phone, which you are not spoken so far. Your time starts now. Okay.
Mobile
Mobile transaction making. Okay. Come in the middle. Okay, next task. At the mobile party yung kana. Whose mobile is this? Okay, they are. Whose mobile? Konajing mobile. Okay, now, yeah, mobile party will know into with the mobile. You need to ask them to dial their phone number. You need to come with the 10-digit phone number there in this phone only. Okay, their phone number. Your time starts now. 10-digit phone number should be here. Okay, one person is here. Yes. You're late. You can keep the phone. Thank you. A big round of applause to the second runner there. Okay. So you are the finalist. It's a Daisy Pereira and here are no names. But still 10 numbers are there. Fine. Okay, now the next thing, take a break. Meanwhile, we have a bar counter open. The one who wants to have some soft drinks, hot drinks, whatever drink you want, a drink will be served there. Please help yourself. But the last and final round for these two, right? Kalendar J, you need to return this phone when you are coming. When you are coming, you need to grab someone's glasses. Are you okay? What an excitement. What an achievement in the Bandana now? That's fine. Is glasses fine? Are you okay? Is all fine? Okay, come here. The first runner for this afternoon. Ria, give her a big round of applause. And the winner, Carol is the winner. Ladies and hands together. Congratulations. Okay, we have another one or two small sport games, but before that, let's all take a break.